Welcome, fellow adventurers, to an awe-inspiring tale that will transport you beyond the confines of our beloved blue planet and into the boundless depths of space. Prepare to be captivated as we unravel the extraordinary account of how the United States conquered the red planet, Mars. Through a series of groundbreaking missions, breathtaking discoveries, and technological marvels, humanity's greatest dreams of interplanetary exploration have become a resounding reality. Join us on this epic journey, as we delve into the monumental achievements that have forever changed our perception of the universe. In the early hours of a cold November morning, the United States embarked on its quest for Martian dominance with the launch of the Mars Pioneer 1 satellite. Suspended atop a colossal Atlas V rocket, it pierced through the Earth's atmosphere, surging towards the crimson allure of the fourth planet from the Sun. As the world watched with bated breath, this initial step marked the beginning of an audacious mission that would redefine the course of human history. The Mars Pioneer 1 satellite, equipped with an array of advanced sensors and cameras, provided us with the first-ever close-up glimpses of Mars. Its orbit allowed it to capture stunning high-resolution images, revealing Martian landscapes with unprecedented clarity. Scientists, engineers, and stargazers alike marveled at the breathtaking vistas of towering volcanoes, colossal canyons, and desolate plains etched across the barren Martian terrain. With the success of the Mars Pioneer 1, the United States forged ahead, pioneering robotic rovers to tread upon the mysterious surface of Mars. The Mars Explorer 1 rover, aptly nicknamed Pathfinder, emerged as a triumph of engineering ingenuity. This resilient explorer braved the unforgiving Martian climate, capturing stunning panoramic views and relaying invaluable data back to Earth, unlocking the secrets held within Mars' ancient geological past. Building upon the knowledge gained from Pathfinder, the United States unveiled the Mars Explorer 2 rover, dubbed Odyssey. Equipped with state-of-the-art instruments, Odyssey ventured further afield, delving into the mysteries of Martian geology and studying the planet's atmosphere in unprecedented detail. Its findings ignited fervent scientific debate, reshaping our understanding of Mars' potential for supporting microbial life. Eager to expand our knowledge of Mars' hidden secrets, the United States launched the Mars Pioneer 2 mission, sending the Phoenix lander hurtling through the void of space. Touching down with precision, it unveiled an alien landscape rich in ice, suggesting the potential for water, a vital ingredient for life as we know it. This pivotal discovery fueled the imaginations of scientists worldwide, igniting an insatiable thirst for further exploration. Buoyed by these remarkable successes, the United States unveiled its most audacious endeavor yet, the Mars Ascend mission. This awe-inspiring undertaking involved sending a team of skilled astronauts on a voyage across the vast expanse of space, culminating in their triumphant arrival on Martian soil. It marked a defining moment in human history, as the footprints of the first humans graced the dusty plains of Mars, forever imprinting upon its surface. The Mars Ascend mission laid the groundwork for a series of pioneering expeditions that followed, propelling human exploration to unimaginable heights. New technologies were developed, including advanced life support systems, habitat modules, and propulsion systems capable of ferrying colonists between Earth and Mars. These astounding achievements set the stage for the next chapter in our interplanetary saga. Bold visionary Elon Musk, founder of SpaceX and champion of space exploration, has taken up the mantle of conquering Mars. With his ambitious project known as Elon Musk envisions the colonization of the red planet. His plans involve establishing sustainable habitats, creating a self-sufficient Martian society, and paving the way for future generations to call Mars their home. Elon Musk envisions a fleet of colossal interplanetary spacecraft, capable of transporting hundreds of settlers on a daring journey across the cosmos. These spacecraft, fueled by revolutionary propulsion systems, will traverse the vast expanse of space, propelling humanity closer to the realization of a multi-planetary existence. Musk's relentless drive and audacious goals have ignited a fervor among dreamers and explorers worldwide, captivating the hearts and minds of those who yearn to witness the next great leap for humanity. To support the aspirations of colonizing Mars, Musk and his team have been diligently working on developing the necessary technologies. From advanced life support systems to sustainable agriculture, from radiation shielding to efficient resource utilization, every aspect of a Martian civilization is being meticulously planned. The challenges are immense, but so is the determination to overcome them, as we stand on the precipice of an extraordinary era in human history. Elon Musk's vision extends far beyond the realms of science fiction. With the colonization of Mars, the United States, along with international partners, aims to establish a sustainable outpost that will serve as a stepping stone for further exploration of the cosmos. This interplanetary springboard will unlock a new era of scientific discoveries, fuel technological advancements, and provide a vital safeguard for the long-term survival of humanity. The conquest of Mars by the United States, from the pioneering satellites and rovers to the audacious human missions, represents the culmination of decades of scientific achievement, technological innovation, and unwavering human spirit. It is a testament to our insatiable curiosity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our unyielding determination to reach beyond the boundaries of our celestial cradle. As we contemplate the conquest of Mars, let us reflect on the profound implications of this monumental endeavor. The exploration and colonization of Mars offer us a profound opportunity for self-reflection, to examine our place in the universe, and to strive towards a future where the stars are not just a distant spectacle, but a destination within our reach. It ignites a fire within us, inspiring us to dream, to push the limits of what is possible, and to transcend the boundaries of our earthly existence. So, fellow explorers, let us embark on this incredible journey together. Let us embrace the spirit of discovery, the fervor of exploration, and the audacity to dream of a future where Mars is no longer an enigma but a second home. The conquest of Mars by the United States is not merely a conquest of a distant planet, it is a conquest of the human spirit, a testament to our collective resilience, and an invitation to the cosmos to welcome us as cosmic citizens. In the coming years, as we witness the continued endeavors of Elon Musk and other pioneering entities, let us stand united in awe, excitement, and anticipation for the unfolding chapters of our interplanetary odyssey. Together, we will push the boundaries of human achievement, redefine our place in the universe, and etch our names in the annals of history as the generation that dared to conquer the Red Planet. The future of Mars awaits us, and the time has come to embark on humanity's greatest adventure yet. As we bring this awe-inspiring tale of the United States conquering Mars to a close, we invite you, dear viewers, to immerse yourselves further in the captivating world of history and exploration. If you've been enthralled by this remarkable journey, then History Dofa is the channel for you. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of captivating content that delves into the annals of human achievements, unraveling the mysteries of the past and propelling us towards an extraordinary future.